What if I told you that one simple acronym could transform your leadership communication overnight? Whether you're leading a team, managing a business, or coaching yourself as a solopreneur, communication is the backbone of success. Yet most leaders miss the mark because they talk too much and listen too little. Today I'm going to introduce you to LACE, a powerful technique that stands for listen, acknowledge, check, and explore. Stick with me and I'll show you how to use LACE to unlock deeper trust, better problem solving, and stronger team connections. Ready to lead with confidence? Let's dive in. G'day, my name is Tech O. I'm a management consultant, workshop facilitator, and keynote speaker with over 40 years experience in working with business leaders to grow their organizations. Welcome back to TechO.com, the channel where we simplify leadership and business strategies for people like you, solopreneurs, small business owners, and executives who want to lead with impact. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe for weekly tips on leadership, strategy, and personal growth. And for my regulars, you know we keep it practical and real. Today I'm talking to you about an active communication technique that will transform your leadership ability. Using LACE, you can build trust in your team members, build empathy, and ensure that you truly are on the same page and turn complaints and problems into joint solutions. LACE is an acronym that stands for 4 stages of active communication. Listen, acknowledge, check, and explore. The first step is to listen. And I don't mean just hearing someone's words while you're preparing your rebuttal. Most managers listen just enough to respond and plan their next move, not to truly understand. Active listening is about focusing on the person speaking. No distractions, no interruptions. Here's how to do it. Maintain eye contact, nod occasionally, and give verbal confirmations like, I see, and go on. Use neutral, open body language. Avoid distractions. Put that phone away. Why does this matter? Because when people feel truly heard, they're more likely to share valuable insights and build trust with you. In fact, research shows that leaders who listen effectively are perceived as more competent and trustworthy. Here's something to remember. When you're tempted to jump in with your opinion, take a breath and remind yourself, listen first, speak second. The second step in LACE is to acknowledge. This is where you show the person that you've understood them. Repeat or paraphrase what they've said and validate their feelings or perspective. The key is to show that you've heard and understood. For example, you can say, so if I'm hearing you right, you're concerned about meeting the deadline because of resource limitations. I can see that makes sense given the current workload. Acknowledging doesn't mean you have to agree. It's about letting the other person know that their input matters. When you do this, people feel respected and valued. Simple statements of acknowledgement build empathy and help the other person feel seen. It's not about solving the problem immediately. It's about creating connection. Before you jump in with your own thoughts, practice saying, what I hear you saying is, or it sounds like you're feeling whatever it is you think they feel. Step 3 in the LACE technique is C for check. This is the step where you make sure there's no misunderstanding. After you've listened and acknowledged, it's crucial to confirm your understanding. You can paraphrase what you've heard, or you can ask clarifying questions like, did I get that right? Or, can you expand on that? For example, you can ask, so what I'm hearing is that the deadline feels unrealistic because of resource constraints. Is that right? Checking ensures you're on the same page before you prematurely jump into solutions. Miscommunication often happens because leaders assume they understand. Don't fall into that trap. And finally, we get to work together and even brainstorm, because the fourth step, the E in LACE, stands for explore. This is where the magic happens. Once you've listened, acknowledged, and checked, it's time to dig in deeper. Exploration is about asking open-ended questions to uncover root causes, solutions, or opportunities. Here are a few examples. You can ask, what do you think would help resolve this? Or, what alternatives have you considered? Perhaps you can ask, how can I support you moving forward? In the exploration phase, you need to be open-minded and consider all options as viable options to be explored. Exploration shifts the conversation from surface-level problems to actionable insights and collaboration. Let me give you a quick scenario to bring the LACE technique to life. Imagine a team member comes to you and they say, look, I'm really struggling to meet this deadline. The old you would have said, why? Haven't I given you all of 2 weeks? Using LACE, you first listen attentively without interrupting, and certainly without immediately giving your input to the problem. Then you acknowledge the challenge. Yes, I can see that sounds stressful. I get why this feels overwhelming. You check for clarity. Now tell me, is it the timeline, or are there other obstacles in the way causing this stress? Then you can explore solutions. So what adjustments could we make together to help you succeed? Enter into discussions and make suggestions and listen to their suggestions. Work together. By using LACE, you turn a potential problem into a productive conversation and a stronger team bond. To wrap it up, LACE, or listen, acknowledge, check, explore, is a game changer for any leader. It's not just a communication tool. It's a way to build trust, solve problems collaboratively, and empower your team. Here's your challenge. Over the next week, pick one conversation at work, at home, or even with yourself, and practice LACE. Notice how the dynamic shifts when you truly listen and engage. Share your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear how it works for you. Now, if this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more leadership insights, and share this video with a fellow leader or solopreneur who could use better communication skills. Until next time, remember, great leadership starts with great listening. See you soon.